Earlier in these videos we looked at the various data types. We looked at the fact that when we click on a column we've got a little symbol here and we can choose different data types. Now with Power Query in Excel you can actually start to create your own data types. And so I want to do that with the employees table to show associated data. Let's start by clicking the employees table. And let's select the column's full name, and I'm going to hold the control key, title, let's show the birth date, let's show the hire date, and let's show the phone and extension. Phone. So you choose which columns you want to include in this new data type. So those are the columns. Now on the Transform tab, to the far right is Create Data Type. And if I click this, basically a wee window comes up and I want to show this as employee details. And then I'll go OK. Now you'll see that there's now a column named employee details, which is a custom data type. So now if I go home and I go close and load and go back to Excel, I also notice that the employee details, which used to look like this, will eventually update and it will change in its appearance. You'll suddenly find there'll be a little custom data type in front of each of these names, but I'll just let it finish doing its thing. Okay, so it's finished loading. Now if I go to the employees sheet, let me just scroll across the bottom here. There it is there. You can see now there's a little sort of like new data type in front of each of the employees' names. Let me just scroll across a little bit. Okay, so the whole idea here is that if you click that, you'll show a card, and that card will include those columns that we chose, which was the full name, the title, the birth date, the hire date, the home phone, and the extension for that particular employee. So that's what they call creating your own data type. Really, really handy is to be able to see extra details regarding somebody. The other thing you'll notice is that if I click that again, each of these has a little extract button. And so if I want to extract out the home phone, because those columns are missing now, I can click this button and it adds the home phone. If I then click it again and I want to get the extension and extract that, I can do. And so that extracts those and shows those as columns. Yeah. So that is creating your own data types.